magdance. So everybody hands up. And then shake your hands. Arms sideward. And then slowly down. And ready to jump. March. Side to side. And march again. Jump. Side to side. And time to sleep. Now shake your hands. Wave your hands. To the left. Tap your shoulder. Your head. Let's jump. And wave. Make a big circle. A fish. March. Let's jump. And wave. Marching time. Pa-cute kids, pa-cute. Show your cute smiles. To the left. Bend your knee. Hands on your chest. And everybody turn around. Now jump higher. March. Side to side. And march again. March. Side to side. And time to sleep. Hooray! Okay, everybody sit down. Sit down, kids, sit down. Wow, it seems a surprise. Okay, what's in the box for your kids? Okay, kids. Okay, kids, before mag-open ang ating box, kailangan nyo daw pong sabihin ay 3, 2, 1, surprise! Okay, sabay-sabay daw tayo. Okay, 3, 2, 1, surprise! Wow, balloons! Okay, si Ate Alden at si Kuya AJ po ang magbibigay. Sit down po muna, sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay, everybody sit down. Sit down po muna. And then pag nakakuha po ng balloons ay huwag po muna aalis dahil mag-picture taking po muna tayo. Okay, raise your hands. Yung mga wala pa po, raise your hands lang po. Okay, raise your hands. Okay, yung mga meron na patingin nga po ng balloons nyo. Illegal nga po. Okay, para makita ni Ate Julia kung sino pa ang meron or wala. Okay. Sit down na po, sit down. Everybody sit down. Okay, lahat po ba ay meron na? Okay, kids. May ipapagawa ulit si Ate Julia sa inyo. Okay lang po ba ulit yun? Okay, when I say kids, soon you will shout hooray and then you will bigyan yung balloons nyo. Okay ba yan? So, practice po muna tayo. In 3, 2, 1, kids, sana. Okay, one more time para inintay nilang mommy and daddy. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, kids, sana. Okay, mommy and daddies, pwede po kayong pumasid dito sa unahan para mas ma-videohan at ma-picturean niyo po ng maayos ang inyong mga kids. Okay, kids, give your big smile. In 3, 2, 1, kids, sana. Hooray! Okay, kids, may tanong si Ate Julia sa inyo. Nag-enjoy pa kayo sa ating game today? Okay, may tanong pa si Ate Julia sa inyo. Gusto ni Ate Julia ay sumigaw kayo ng malakas. Sino pong gusto mag-birthday here in Kidsuna? Mommies and daddies, introduce to celebrate your kids' birthday party here at Kidsuna. Well, we have a birthday packages for you. All you have to do is ask our friendly staff and we are more than happy to assist you. Okay,